Hello, what's up? My name is Michael, and on this channel we discuss about how to start and run successful small-scale businesses. If this is your first time to watch my video, thank you so much for watching, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching. In today's video, I'm going to take you through the 4 most important machines you can actually use to make more than $100 per day. And these machines can actually be used to start home businesses. Machine number 1 is the school chalk machine. These machines that I'm talking about are practical money making machines. I'm not just assuming, but I have used most of them practically and have generated that income. The last one is actually going to amaze you. So the school chalk can actually make money more than $100 a day, because if you buy the IMM gunmetal machine 400 or the IMM gunmetal machine 800, they can make at average 100 school chalk boxes per day. And of course, even if you buy the 400, that makes 5 cartons per day, and 5 carton is 200,000 Uganda shillings at minimum. So you can make profits of more than 100,000 every day if you actually happen to buy a school chalk machine. Machine number 2 is the maize milling machine. I've done several videos about maize milling machines, and of course most of you people have bought ideas and have come to my inbox to ask me about how those machines work. If you want to mill maize commercially, you need actually 2 machines, and that is the maize mill and the maize huller. If you want to grade your maize into number 1 or super or any other grade of maize, you need relatively advanced machines to actually do that kind of production. But even if you own only the maize mill, in the villages, in the local communities outside there, people just take maize for milling and they don't mind so much about the grading. So you can enter into the maize milling business by owning 1 machine, and you start milling maize for the community. Then later on you can advance and actually you start grading your own maize when your capital actually increases. So by entering into maize milling, you have an upper hand of making much more money, because there are a lot of associated products you can get from maize. You can also start making animal feeds, and that is a great opportunity for someone dealing directly in the maize milling business. Today, animal feeds are actually much more expensive than even posho, because the waste product of maize is maize bran, and maize bran today, a kilogram is 1,000 Uganda shillings. Can you imagine that? And you'll find even a kilogram of maize is 1,500, and maize bran itself is actually 1,000. So it means even if you sell maize, you will definitely find yourself making a lot of profit in the maize milling business. Machine number 3 is the nuts grinding machine. These machines are actually very cheap, starting from 700, 800 to maybe 2 million, depending on the capacity of nuts that you want to mill at a go. But even with little capital less than 1 million, you can start the nuts grinding. You can start the nuts grinding business. Of course, some of you who are not aware about nuts, everywhere today in villages, in different communities, they pack nuts from 1,000 onwards. Of course, these have become like any other product. You can give to retailers to actually sell on a retail basis if you are a manufacturer, that's how we'll call it, or you are the person who is grinding. You can distribute to local shops at a wholesale price and actually make profit out of that money. So as I'm concluding this video today, I want you to put the 4th machine, and actually I will come here to make a video about the machines you'll actually put in the comment section, and we come here and actually try to discuss them and see how they work. So in the comment section, drop there the fourth machine that you'd love me to talk about. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Maize once again, and on this channel we discuss about how to start and run successful small-scale businesses. I'm very, very grateful you're watching my video up to this far. So kindly feel free to subscribe, like, and share this video to a friend. Remember, we sell all those machines that I have actually talked about. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Bye-bye.